Hello dear students! In this video we draw a cone and shade it together. Draw a vertical line. Draw a horizontal line from the lower third of this line, so that the vertical line is on the middle of the horizontal line. And then connect the beginning and end of the horizontal line to the top of the vertical line. From the bottom, draw an arc that continues from the beginning to the end of the horizontal line. Now we have drawn a cone and erased the middle lines. And then we mark the shadow of the cone with a pencil. Now, like the tutorial I taught you before, test the pencil until it is smooth and uniform, and start shading. With very little hand pressure, we create a pale gray shadow layer. We specify where the light shines on the cone, which is exactly opposite to where we drew the shadow of the object on the surface. We add a layer of pale shadow to the work and slowly define the darkness. At first, it is medium gray, but gradually it becomes darker. We add the shadows little by little. We are careful not to go out of line. When we get close to the light, we reduce the pressure of the hand so that the shadows fade until we reach whiteness and light. There should not be a border between blackness and shadows and light. It should fade very smoothly and slowly from darkness to light. You can shade horizontally or vertically. On the right side, we create pale shadows so that we can create the volume of the cone. I use the tip of a pencil to create the edges of the cone. I carefully create the shadows around the cone with a pencil. I draw with my finger on the whole work in the direction I want to soften the shadows. Very soft and slow. I draw the bottom of the work a little darker and with more contrast. Once again, I darken the shadows and soften the shadows with my finger, layer by layer and carefully and patiently. I specify the direction of the shadow and the border between the cone and this shadow. I shade unilaterally from dark to light. Let's create this darkness little by little, from dark to light. Very soft and gentle. And at the end, we clean the cone around with a paste eraser. Do this exercise at least 10 times. Remember to subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I will answer. Good luck!